Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. How do I do it? Now I have this advice for you to pack your luggage quickly and efficiently so you can carry all of a week's worth of clothes in a carry-on suitcase, and thus avoid having to check your suitcases if you travel by plane. Or simply carry a smaller suitcase where you are going to travel, whether with friends or family, since we always want to save space, and even more so if we travel in a group. So let's see how to do it. First of all, we are going to spread our heaviest garment, which is the jacket or coat, in an A shape on a flat surface, in this case a bed. Then we are going to put on the other side a shirt that is buttoned, or if they only wear t-shirts, one of them. And they arrange it in the middle on top of the jacket, forming more or less an Then we can put on a sweatshirt that we are going to wear, or a sweater, remembering to intersperse it and stretching the sleeves so that the shape of the X is made as shown on the screen. Then we can start putting on the pants that are going to go horizontally, like crossing the X as shown in the video, taking into account that everything is arranged from the middle of the. We intersperse 3 other shirts, or the ones we are going to wear, that do not necessarily have to go 1 and 1. You can split the entire left side of button-down shirts and the right side of t-shirts, pretty much like I do on screen. After that we put other pants in the same way that we put the previous ones, only completely on the opposite side, and thus it will take the shape of an asterisk. We arrange another shirt if we need it, and finally we put a t-shirt or blouse in the case of women. And we fold it normally and put our underwear in there as shown in the video. We just make sure that it fits well, and we can start folding everything to put it in our suitcase. We begin to fold the last shirt we put on, making a small bundle by wrapping the shirt with our underwear, making sure it fits well, and we put it back in the middle as shown on the screen. Now we wrap it with the next item of clothing, which are the pants, making sure it fits well and put it back in its place. Now we do exactly the same with all the clothes, wrapping one bundle at a time so that it is easier to remove when we unpack. Every time you make a fold you will have to press harder so that it can grab all the clothes. That's why the largest clothes were put on until the end, so that it can grab the entire bag. We continue arranging all the missing clothes until we reach the first thing we put, which in this case was a sweatshirt and jacket. There you will understand why these were placed at the beginning and not at the end. Since the lump is getting bigger and bigger, and the only way to grab it and not let it fall apart is with a bigger piece of clothing as shown in the video. Agree to adjust it as much as you can so that it fits without problems into your carry-on suitcase, since that is the point of the video, to carry all your clothes in the carry-on suitcase and thus have more space or not have to document if we travel by plane. All that remains is to put it in our suitcase, and as you can see it fits perfectly, and there is still room to put things in the front, be it your bathroom accessories, medicines, makeup, etc. And where the clothes are, there is still room to put a pair of shoes or tennis shoes, and by pressing a little more there will be another pair without problems. And for women I think they still fit more due to the size of the clothes, which are smaller, and also the shoes unless they are very high heels. But as you can see, it closes perfectly, and as I mentioned, there is still room for all your accessories on the inside and also in the compartments on the front. As you can see, by simply arranging your clothes in this way, it will be much easier and faster to pack everything you want to take and occupy only a small suitcase that you can take on board the plane, or that will not take up as much space if you go out with family or friends, and thus you will not have to struggle to accommodate all the suitcases for when you go on a trip, since having more space is always better, and even more so if you are going shopping, since then you will have plenty of space to accommodate what you have bought. As you already know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked this advice. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.